Gujarat, the growth engine of Viksit Bharat. From a meticulously planned network of roads that seamlessly connect key economic hubs, to having one of the world's largest ecosystems of automobile manufacturing that is pioneering eco-mobility. Gujarat is accelerating rapidly towards achieving India's low-carbon economy vision. And the catalyst to this transformation is the vibrant Gujarat Global Summit, gateway to the future. In India, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi hailed the emergence of EVs as a silent revolution, with the government supporting the EV ecosystem by offering incentives to electric vehicle buyers.
इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल इकोसिस्टम में सप्लाई और डिमांड दोनों पर तेजी से काम कर रहे हैं। सरकार इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल के खरीदारों को कई तरह के इंसेंटिव दे रही है ताकि डिमांड में तेजी आए। सप्लाई, डिमांड और इकोसिस्टम की मजबूती से ईवी सेक्टर का आगे बढ़ना तय है। यानी ये साइलेंट रिवॉल्यूशन आने वाले दिनों में बड़ा परिवर्तन करने के लिए तैयार है।
In alignment with the vision of Honorable Prime Minister, Gujarat has strategically positioned itself as a hub for automotive manufacturing, particularly in electric vehicles. Fueled by future-ready mega projects such as the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor and Mandal-Becharaji Special Investment Region. Leveraging a robust infrastructure featuring an extensive network of roads, airports and ports, the state provides electric vehicle manufacturers with the distinct advantages of top-tier manufacturing facilities and seamless access to global markets. The state has strategically leveraged national initiatives such as the Life Mission and FAME India schemes to enhance the EV ecosystem. Under the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel, Gujarat has launched visionary schemes like the Atmanirbhar Gujarat Scheme 2022 for assistance to industries and EV policy to further accelerate EV adoption across diverse segments by 2030. Gujarat's automotive prowess is attracting major investments like India's first lithium-ion battery facility and the upcoming Gigafactory in Jamnagar. The state is evolving into an EV innovation hub, marked by India's inaugural semiconductor facility in Sanand and key players entering e-bike and truck production. Beyond investments, Gujarat's commitment to skill development shines through collaborations with Maruti Suzuki Limited for the International Automobile Centre of Excellence and the iCreate EV Centre of Excellence. These initiatives highlight Gujarat's dedication to enhancing skills and fostering innovation in traditional and emerging automotive sectors. The vibrant Gujarat Global Summit has driven Gujarat's EV initiatives. The upcoming electric vehicle manufacturing Charging Ahead to 2047 event at the vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2024 aligns with Viksit Bharat's vision for a sustainable India, aiming to boost economic growth and reduce carbon footprint. The event highlights Gujarat's role as a green mobility hub, attracting investments in EVs, battery storage solutions, green fuels, and charging infrastructure. Be a part of India's rapidly emerging EV ecosystem at Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit, gateway to the future.